राम राम भी सारण और आज है मेरा 75 हार्ट का
32 डे।
लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन गाइस। वी हैव कंप्लीटेड 1 मंथ। हमने 1 महीना कंप्लीट कर लिया है लगातार वीडियो डालने से। 75 हार्ट का चैलेंज चल रहा है और आज की जो शुरुआत है वो सेशन की मैं कुछ इस प्रकार करता हूं। फॉर एग्जांपल कि यू नो वन थिंग दैट एवरीबॉडी इज अ जीनियस। इफ वी जज अ फिश बाय इट्स एबिलिटी टू क्लाइंब अ ट्री, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. It is same like this, like the qualities we have to focus on that, and we have to believe in ourselves. If we don't believe in ourselves, it means that we will not be able to get success in our life and we will not be successful anymore. Let's take an example. If somebody wants to be an airman and he's preparing for Air Force, and you know he's just writing the notes, he's learning everything, but you know what, that the person is able to clear a UPSC exam, he will set a limit that he can be the airman only. He cannot be an IAS officer. You know why? Because he has already set the limits that he is able to do that thing. If everybody does the same thing, that there will be no politicians, there will be no there will be no IAS officer, there will be no such great people in our country, in our world. So the thing is, first just think what you believe. Just do what you believe, okay? And first of all, just think big. If you think big, then you will be able to crack all the limits whatever you think. You know, there is a quote that you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So the thing is, just start whatever you think and whatever you want to achieve in your life. So first of all, start doing that thing. So don't think about that thing, don't think about the rush, and don't think about the stuff which the people are thinking about you. Just do whatever you want to do. Today is your opportunity to build tomorrow you want. So first of all, try to build your today. Whatever you think, just do it today and see what will be the results. So thank you so much. That's how we have completed our 1 month, and soon we will be completing our 75 hard learn English challenge. Thank you so much. अगर मिटाना इंग्लिश का कलेश, जॉइन एक्सप्रेस, लाइक से सब्सक्राइब। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय।